my presentation. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Wilfredo Soria Carrasco. I am from Peru. I have a beautiful family. My wife is very beautiful. She is from Peru and she is a nurse. We have 2 children. My daughter is a psychologist. She is funny and friendly. She is 31 years old. She has a cat and her cat is black. My daughter works in Cusco at the Regional Hospital of Cusco. My son is a lawyer. He is serious. He is 28 years old. He has a dog, and his dog is small. My son works in Paucartambo at the municipality of Paucartambo. You might have questions about me. For example, what is my favorite color? What is my favorite food? I tell you a little more. My address is San Jerónimo Distrito in Cusco and my phone number is 9123456678. My favorite food is spaghetti, white chicken, and my favorite color is blue. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. Bye bye. See you in class, teacher.